All right, everyone, a quick update on VAIOT here. So we're going to keep it simple on VAIOT. We're not going to focus on all the tiny little price targets to watch here. As we know, we broke the uptrend. We broke the point 0.5 at 19. It did not hold. We came down. We tagged the 382 at 92 here. Now, the bottom of this box here is the 786 low to the high. That is your last line of defense for this thing not to come all the way back down to the 236. So if you come back down from where you are right now, you need to hold over 9 and then potentially even 7 here. So 7 pennies, that is a 38% drop. If it goes lower than that, then you are going to fall off the table here all the way back down to 3.8 and drop about 68%. Now, is that going to happen? I highly doubt it, but I do not have a crystal ball, so I cannot tell you that. The only thing you can really do is watch these support areas here. And I would add one more thing here, I guess. You are right now off of that 382 bounce, sitting right above this 10.9 level. So this green line here is your low to the high 618. If you can manage to stay over that, you may move back up to the point 0.5 at 19, which is about a 64% move. Now, what I would keep in mind is, depending on how long this plays out, and we get back up to the 618 here, which if you take note from the past here, we have been getting stuck every time we're up here, and you really want a weekly close over this 39-cent level. Depending on how fast you come up here, if we get over the point 0.5 established support, and then we come up here, we may get stuck at that macro resistance and the trend line here, which is going to provide extra heavy resistance for this thing here. And if we also noticed, if we look way back in the past, all this support back here is now that resistance level. So it is a heavy price to get over at 39. Once you get over 39 over the 618 on VAIOT, then that's when she's going to have a breakout, in my opinion. Now, as for how high this thing is going to go this cycle, we do have the 786 retracement here. Let me pull this down. So if we come down to these lower targets and maybe even back down to the 236, it is going to change this multiplier here. But from today, right above the 382, you are looking at about a 9.5x up to a $360 million market cap and the price tag of about $1.09. Now, if we blow past the 786 and we come up to the previous high, a little below it, a little above it, then you are looking at a very decent move here. If you're a little below it and you make a slightly lower high, you're looking at about a 30x. You break it a little bit, and then you're looking at maybe almost a 40x on your investment here, up around this $4 range. Now, with that being said, if we break over this, then that puts into play the 1272 with a $7 billion market cap on VAIOT up to $21. And that's going to get you a massive from today, almost a 180x on your investment here. So that is a massive move, by the way. So what are your thoughts on VAIOT? Do you think this 786 retracement is in the books, or do you think it's going to go higher than that price target there? So with that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.